guys, welcome and welcome back to another vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please give my video a fat thumbs up. And if you are into fashion like me, I came across these dope boots on Amazon, you guys. I am going to be linking it, but enjoy this Amazon find and how I styled it. Okay. Oh, these already come with the thing on. Oh, look at me. Look at this. Yeah, these are nice. Yeah, I gotta try these on. Get the heel. I think I want to move this down here. I'm gonna see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh, these are nice. Oh, these are super nice. These are so pretty.
Oh, mommy, look at this dead skin. Y'all beat up. My God.
I really like
Everyone ate
these.
this turkey.
So I'm getting ready for the Mariah Carey. I'm getting ready for the Mariah Carey.
What is Mariah?
I'm not talking to you.
No, I want to know what it is. What is it
So
called?
these are the boots. I'm gonna take this off and bring it down to here because I seen this girl have these, wear these. No, you're gonna fall, and she brought it all the way down here. So I do want to see how it looks. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better, without it all the way down here or down here. So let me take it off so y'all can see how to put it on. It has like buckles. Yeah, it has buckles on it. So yeah, super cute. So don't do that, please. Don't do that. Don't do that. So I'm just gonna add one there. And I'm just gonna skip. Yeah, I'm gonna skip one to give it that ruffle look. Where's this one?
Mommy, are you okay?
Yeah, I think that's spoiled.
I don't think so. I don't think it's one.
Let me see. Yeah, so this is, I didn't even have to really move it too much. But I like this stacked look right here. So let me see how it looks on. Jace, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Like, yeah.
I thought this was a spoon.
Super cute. So I think I'm gonna wear them like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear them like this.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with me to mine. If you love me every night, it make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You thinking I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay.
At school, cause I'm gonna be very cold.
Okay.
I should wear that at school. These are nice, actually.
Wow.
Walk over here. Walk over here.
What? Mommy like these.
It's good too.
I think I'm gonna fix it to the front. Let me see. I'm gonna change it to the front.
How? How you gonna change it into the front?
Let me see. I'm about to change it right now. So this is two different ways you can wear the boots. So you could wear them all the way down like that to the front, and then you could wear it where it's ruched from the ankles and up. So let me know which one y'all like more. I really like both of them. It's just really different. Really different. But for tomorrow's look, I might do this one. I'm not sure. But I really like this one too. It just looks different.
No.
How we gonna trip? How you trip?
No. Getting gold out. Let me get your number. I thought I wanted to get this number.
Wow, these blue ones look gorgeous though. But these are shorter.
You not get the sugar.
With those. Girl, when me and you
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the top, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I dey protect when them kill Soboma. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla.
Let me show you this one. These boots, I don't even know how much I paid for these. But these are a statement piece. Look at that. Got a zipper back here. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Which one you like, sis? The blue or the denim? Why do you keep on passing gas? You need some type of detox. It's like I'm twisting it. Yeah, these is really nice though. Let me put both of them on because these are given. These is different. They had them in pink. I'm gonna put them in pink. Ooh, these feel a little tight. It fit exact, sis. Yeah, I like them more ruffly, like that one. You see?
But that one's not as long, so you can only do the bottom ruffle.
Yeah. These fit more snug than this one. And they're the same size. You mean like an old lady? It's gonna be cold. That's true. That's why the brunch be sold out. These boots is. Ooh. Yeah, these heels are everything, sis. Oh my gosh. Even the jacket, like, sis, the jacket goes with this too. Oh my goodness.
But I wouldn't recommend it for sleeves.
Yeah, I know, but
That for when you go into the Hello Gorgeous.
yeah. This looks so nice. Nobody better not talk to me. These are good. Oh my goodness. These are so comfortable, sis.
I think they're a little bit more stable.
Because of the heel. That little chunky piece at the bottom, see it? These are nice. Oh my God. This is gonna be my outfit for when we go to thing. You see the original price for this jacket? Waleem Zing. $75. I got an extra small.
You can put it in the dryer. With the wrinkles out.
Yeah, I'm gonna steam it right now when I get upstairs. It's just giving, yeah. I like this. I really love the denim more though. But you see, you could wear them like this too.
That would have been fire when we went to the thing last year.
Oh, the pink pair thing. We can go back. And
I'm just taking off.
Today's episode of a try on haul.
ooh, sis. I think I want to wear these. I need a flashlight. It's so dark in here. Ooh. Yeah, these is fire. Where's my phone?
Damn, Jason, butt stink.
Oh, Jay, stop farting.
I feel it.
This challenge was much harder than I thought. Staying in that position was very uncomfortable. And after 20 minutes, I still had all that.
Yeah, these are so comfortable. These are more comfortable than those.
Yeah,
For sure.
they look like it. Those remind me of the heels that I had bought from Shein that had those bottoms. Big front.
Oh, yeah, No, not all day. I ain't say all day. But even when you have them on, you want to be comfortable. But these, I would do.
Mine is sleeping here.
Huh?
My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. That's what you make you have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani Kajuru. I'm a white dog in Felisuru. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Kajuru. I'm a white dog in Felisuru. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast last line. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye.
All right, guys, so this is how much I ended up paying for the boots, and this is the exact details for the boots. I'm gonna add the link below, so let me know which ones y'all like. These you can wear 2 different ways, with the detachment piece and without it. So yeah, this is also how I styled it. So yes, these are the boots I wore in my Vlogmas intro. So I ended up wearing it with a trench coat, the pink trench coat, the Telfar bag, and an all black outfit. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a fat thumbs up. Bye.